Starting next month, motorists will be paying more to travel on Highway 2000. The Ministry of Transport says the new rates will take effect on the first weekend of July. The ministry today published the proposed rates for the 4 toll plazas. For the Spanish Town leg, it is proposed that Class 1, 2, and 3 vehicles will move to $210, $320, and $590 respectively. The proposed rates for the Portmore Toll Plaza are $290, $470, and $870 respectively. Meanwhile, for users of the Vineyards Toll Plaza, their rates could move to $550, $810, and $1,510 respectively. Over on the Maypen leg of Highway 2000, the new rates proposed are $150, $250, and $500 for Class 1, 2, and 3 vehicles, respectively. A response now from the Transport Authority regarding yesterday's launch of U.S.-based transportation application company Uber. Corporate Communications Manager at the Transport Authority, Petrokeen Williams, says the company is operating under a new transportation designation established in 2018. She says this does not allow for private white plate vehicles to transport public passengers.
It's called a vehicle with driver lease agreement. This is a new designation in the local public transportation sector. What we would like to reiterate, though, is that irrespective of the terminology you use, once the service that is being provided by Uber functionally is operating as public transportation services, it will require a road license from the authority.
Ms. Williams says the Transport Authority is awaiting a meeting with Uber to discuss the details of its operations in Jamaica. Uber commenced service in Kingston and St. Catherine on Tuesday.